This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Split Screen lets you run 2 apps simultaneously on your Poco M6 5G. This feature uses MIUI built into the phone and works with most apps. Check that both apps support multi-window before proceeding to avoid interruptions. Use either gesture navigation or 3-button navigation to access recent apps. Ensure you have the latest MIUI update installed for the open recent apps by swiping up and holding or using the recent button. Tap the app icon at the top of its card and choose Split Screen from the menu. The first app will dock in the top half at a 50% default ratio. Open the second app from recent apps or the home screen to fill the bottom half. You can also long press an app in the drawer to start Split Screen directly. Adjust the split by dragging the divider to change the ratio between apps. You can move it to create a 70/30 or a balanced 50/50 layout depending on needs. Tap the divider to reveal controls and choose Swap to switch app positions quickly. Some apps maintain full functionality when resized, while others will adapt or restart. To exit, drag the divider fully to one edge to close one app or press Home to end Split Screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.